What if the next great idea for your novel is already around you, hidden in a stranger story, historical moment, or even in your morning routine? Hi, I'm Andrea from Bibisco, the novel writing software downloaded by over 200,000 writers around the world to bring their stories to life. And in this video, I'm going to share how to find inspiration for your novel, even when you feel stuck or uninspired. Let's jump in. Great stories aren't always born in big dramatic events. They are often found in the small, seemingly ordinary moments around us. Think about the last time you overheard a strange conversation on a train or saw a flyer for a lost cat with a surprisingly emotional note attached. Every person you meet, every moment you witness can become the seed for a story. Train yourself to observe. Watch people's gestures, the way they pause before speaking, the tension in a silence. Ask yourself what's going on beneath the surface. Always carry with you a small notebook or use a notes app. Write down anything that catches your attention. Snippets of dialogue, character traits, even smells or sounds. It's your personal treasure chest of inspiration. And listen, really listen to people's stories. Everyone has gone through something. A heartbreak, a victory, a decision they regret. These real life emotional arcs are gold for fiction. Even something simple like cooking dinner with your grandmother can be the starting point for a rich, intimate narrative. History is full of untold personal stories. It's not just what happened, but how people lived through it. Picture this: a Brazilian soldier sent to snowy mountains in Italy during the World War II, having never even seen snow before. That's not just history, that's a character, a conflict, a story. Read memoirs, old letters, even obituaries. Explore how a major event like a revolution or economic collapse shaped the life of someone ordinary. These overlooked authentic stories resonate deeply with readers because they show the emotional side of historical events. You can even combine this with fiction, create characters who live through real events. Readers love that mix of fact and imagination. But before we move on to point 3, if you are enjoying these tips and want more videos to help you write your novel, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's a small gesture for you, but it means a lot to us and helps us support more writers like you. Look at the world around you. It's full of conflicts, questions, and change, the very ingredients of great storytelling. Think about novels like 1984, a chilling look at totalitarianism and surveillance, The Grapes of Wrath, economic inequality and migration, American Dirt, the immigrant experience in today's world. When you explore current events, go beyond the headlines. Focus on how people are affected. Bring the reader inside the experience. Your goal isn't to preach, it's to make people feel. But remember, handle these topics with respect, sensitivity, and truthfulness. When done right, your novel can spark conversation that matter. Here's something many writers overlook. You are already sitting on a library of stories. Your challenges, your victories, your past. It's all usable because it's real. Maybe you battled anxiety, maybe you moved to a new country, maybe you lost someone important. When you write from experience, your words have authenticity and readers can feel that. You don't have to tell your exact story, you just have to tell it truthfully. Tip: start journaling. Not just your activities, but your feelings, dreams, frustrations. Over time, you see patterns, themes, even dialogue you can lift right into your novel. What if? Two simple words, infinite possibilities. What if people could switch bodies with their pets? What if memories were for sale? What if society was completely matriarchal? These questions unlock new worlds and challenge the status quo. They help you think beyond reality, explore the extraordinary, and even shine a light on real-world issues in new ways. Great stories often begin with a single "what if?" Think Black Mirror, The Man in the High Castle, The Handmaid's Tale. So, what is your what if? Once the idea sparks, how do you grow it into a story? That's where Bibisco comes in. The mind map feature helps you visually organize your ideas, connect characters, plot twists, backstories, settings, all in one flexible space. You can zoom out for the big picture or dive in to explore each detail. Think of it as your creative command center. It's just one of the many tools Bibisco offers to help you write better, smarter, and with more clarity. Finding the idea for your novel isn't about waiting for lightning to strike. It's about staying curious, observing life, and asking the right questions. So, whether your next novel is drawn from real history, the news, your own memories, or a wild what if, just remember, stories are everywhere. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy writing.